How to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover permanently deleted emails on your Gmail. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, let's head over to our Gmail. After you're on our Gmail, let's delete some mails. So let me just long press on the mail, maybe these three mails, one of Spotify, one of Upwork, and one of KuCoin. Then tap on the delete button. After you've tapped on the delete button, your mails will get deleted. So what you can now do is tap on the three lines on the top left. After you've done that, scroll down and there you'll find the bin section. It can be named bin or it can be named the trash folder. Simply locate that folder and open that up. After you've opened that up, you'll see those mails that you've deleted. Now, all of these will be stored here for 30 days. So make sure that you recover your mails in those 30 days. After the 30 days, that very mail will be deleted. So to recover them, simply long press on those. Tap on the three dots here. You can see different options. You can tap on this option right here. Let me just turn it again. Tap on move, and after you've tapped on move, tap on primary. And now it has been recovered. You can go to your primary and there you will see those three mails. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you recover deleted emails on your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.